That's how you get ready to eat?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
Let's go.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have stew peas. Yes, this is a traditional Jamaican dish and it was requested by one of our subscribers and we appreciate you requesting it. And if you want to know how I prepared this delicious meal, check out the other video. I'm going to link it somewhere up here. But as usual, make sure you watch this video first before you go on over to that video. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Always.
All right, you ready, honey?
Come on, but you gotta tell them, first lady, what you put in there for me for something different for me, first lady.
My bad.
Yes.
Because I'm thinking that you guys already saw the video,
yes.
So you're right. I'm surprised because the way how you hungry.
Yeah, but you have to tell them what your substitute thing for me something special, you know.
So I put in here oxtail, chicken foot, salt beef, and a couple of pieces of smoked turkey neck bone. Now, traditionally, stew peas is made with pig's tail and oxtail, but you guys know some of my husband and yam pork.
I don't eat pork. I'm not a Rasta, but I just don't eat pork. But I eat all kind of other.
Right. So I substitute the salt beef I substitute the pig's tail with the salt beef to give it that salty flavor. Okay. Just to let you guys know, I didn't put any seasoning in this stew peas. I never put seasoning in my stew peas. You know why? It doesn't need it because the salt beef is what gives it all the salt and the flavor that it's going to need.
True. Well explained.
I'm ready to dig in.
You see this? And guys and family, remember I tell you what, when I get oxtail, I don't play with it. This is the next meal. If somebody come over, I'm locking the door. Yeah.
And remember, if you're going to make chicken foot is delicious, but if you're going to make it, whether you curry it, brown stew it, because you can make chicken foot all different kinds of ways. You have to make sure that you are cooking it correctly, because you don't want the chicken foot to be hard because it's not going to taste good. You want it to be like this, falling off the bone.
Bite it.
You see that? You can even see the bone. That's how you know a chicken foot is cooked soft. And then when you eat it,
look. Here. Not because it's small like that.
Bone.
See that?
See that?
You have to be cooked right.
So that's how you know your chicken foot is
cooked.
It's cooked because when you bite onto it, the meat falls right into your mouth and you're left with nothing but the bone.
I gave you enough napkin?
Yes, my love.
Family?
Look at that. It's just falling off. Look at the meat.
And that's chicken foot.
I love chicken foot.
So if you haven't seen the chicken foot video, the curry chicken foot video, check that one out.
And we have some broccoli.
That's our greenies. This is good. You know what I want? I want to get around to my gravy. Even though I got gravy right there too, but this one.
Yeah, man, you have to push it, pull it.
Look at that.
And see, this is the salt beef. This is how it looks. And at first, when you're cooking it, you're like, this is not going to be so red. You have to trust the process. You understand?
You understand? I'm not leaving her out. You don't want them not on your side, you know.
And one thing about stew peas,
tell me, first lady.
You eat this bad boy the next day, man, it's even better.
Yeah. Any food, you leave till the next day. That's when it's even better.
Especially
you know why?
stew peas. My goodness.
You know why, family? Because everything is well soaked.
I'm ready.
Look at the oxtail.
Yeah.
Come off like this, look. I don't share this neither.
This right here It's a delicious meal. And you can even make this vegetarian style. With no meat.
No meat.
Just peas.
Just peas.
Honey, I've seen people make it with peas and sawfish.
Yeah, you could sawfish in there too.
Yeah.
Because sawfish is not considered meat. Wow.
My gravy, I drop off of the edge, you know. There's so much gravy meat out.
Your food bad. You may tell you that. Yeah. I told y'all the dishes is coming. Don't worry. We see our request. The dishes is coming. Right, First Lady?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
You could do it all.
Gotta put my sleeve up of this sucker.
Put it up, girl. Put it up. I'm enjoying this. I always take my time because I eat too fast.
You can't take your time, honey.
I can't. If I take my time, I'm not eat. I'm not.
Yes.
First Lady.
This is the smoked turkey neck. And you don't need a lot. Just a couple of pieces. Not a couple. Maybe like 4. And it gives your stew peas an extra kick. Trust me.
Look at this.
Trust me when I tell you.
She ain't lying. If she's lying, she's flying, and I ain't see her fly yet. Look, chicken foot. Watch here. Yeah. That's how it's done.
And you see how thick the gravy is? The gravy is thick because of the peas.
Yeah, peas did it.
Yeah.
All right.
But this is one of those dishes where you have to babysit it.
Yeah.
Because if you don't babysit it and keep an eye on it, it will burn.
Burn, yeah.
Because the peas, them, as they're getting softer,
Yeah.
it's letting out all of the stuff that's inside of it. And that's what's making your gravy thick. And if you're not stirring it every 15-20 minutes, it's going to get stuck to the bottom of the pot and then burn. And we don't want that.
True talk. I got a little mix up in here, no?
I'm drinking water today. I'm going to be drinking water from now on, like I used to.
Dip on the water fast. Drink water for me, huh? Drink it for me. Wow. This is delicious.
Delicious. Thank you, my love.
Oh, how y'all doing?
Oh.
My gosh. We're just so caught up in here.
Caught up with the food.
Yeah. And, oh, check it out. I know some mechanics. And I see we asking you what's going on and how was your day? I know you want like, how Richie asked how was your day?
Oh.
First lady thinking like, okay, why didn't you do it? I'm doing it now. Enjoy my boy. Stew peas in Jamaica is a big dish too.
Big dish.
Big dish. I like our first lady do for me, no? I get based up to 2, you see me? Because I'm special.
He is. But I tell you this.
First lady got all my meat up in here.
All his meat. But I tell you this, honey.
What?
Whenever my sister she doesn't live too far from me. And whenever she makes 2 peas, I tell her to give me some. I said, I don't want no oxtail, I don't want no chicken foot. Even though I love chicken foot.
You want swap meat?
Just give me the pig's tail.
Pig tail, yeah.
Because I don't eat pig's tail because I don't eat pork.
Because me. You respect my religion.
What religion?
Eat food but not pork.
What kind of religion that?
Richie. Rich religion. They eat pork, you know, but not me.
Yeah. My husband is not that kind of closed-minded person where if he doesn't eat something, I can't eat, or the kids can't eat something. That's ridiculous. That's not how it works.
Yeah, man, because feed them out, isn't it?
Exactly.
So, if they eat it, that's them. Right.
But I always make sure, like if I make smothered pork chops, oh my God. If I make that, it's so good. My kids, they love it.
Family, I ain't gonna lie, that joint be smelling good.
Smell the pork chops, right?
Yeah. That pork meat. I want to bring the pepperoni pizza. Smell good, man. Yeah, man, it smells good, man.
Your mom is gonna say, Richie, don't be tempted.
Yeah. Look at this chicken foot.
But when I make smothered pork chops, the kids will be like, I have to make it spicy.
Yeah.
If it's not spicy, they're like, what happened? Why it's not spicy?
Yeah.
And this is a big Sunday dinner too.
Yeah.
And you guys are getting it during the week. You guys are lucky.
Yeah, special.
Big Sunday dinner.
This dinner here, like for Sundays, you know? But y'all getting it because it was requested, so we're gonna do it. I'm hooking you up. I need some more gravy, son. Hey, this could be just basically the food too. Without the meat, yeah, vegetarian style. Yep. Without the meat, fam.
I promise you, you don't need to add any seasoning to this. If you have the salt beef or the pig's tail, as long as you boil the salt beef or the pig's tail first for like 20-30 minutes, and then you cut it up and you put it in there. You don't, and I mean, we add scotch bonnet pepper, but you don't need to add no seasoning because it already gives flavor.
Oh my God. But no first day. But one. First you could throw it down, son. Oxtail again. I hope y'all try this. Comment down if y'all gonna try this. Cause I hear people say they're gonna try it, but I've never seen your dish. Don't forget, the Greedy Couple on Instagram. Make a dish. Send a picture.
No, sir. It should be illegal to make such good food.
Absolutely.
You don't think so?
Chicken foot. Chicken foot soft, you know?
Soft and tender, not all tough and can't do that something, man.
Really? When you cook,
need some water.
You put your all.
Just like you.
My goodness. Man.
Oh.
What?
Guys, I have a question for you. We're gonna play a little game.
Oh.
You guys wanna play a game with us?
Who wanna play a game? Thumbs up. They wanna play the game. Tell them. Tell them the game. What's going on?
Eat my one first.
It's a mystery game. Let's see if y'all can figure it out. She's gonna tell y'all. Wow. Wait. Put the mesa? Oh, yeah, board pass.
So this is a game. What do you guys notice that is different about this video?
Comment below. Let's see if y'all pay attention. Yeah.
Again, what do you notice is different about this video?
You tell me. Don't ask me. I don't know. You gotta tell us.
They asking you, honey?
Yeah.
I know.
One of them just pinch me and said, "Come on, Richie, tell me." I can't.
pinch you.
Somebody pinch me. Tell me one.
No, son.
We can't tell y'all.
If somebody pinch you right now, I'm out.
So, if y'all figure it out and notice it, comment and tell us what's different. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. We gonna see. You think they gonna figure it out?
Our subscribers love us. They're gonna figure it out. Fast too.
Fast.
We have faith in you guys.
Let's see. But one thing I know, this food is good.
That dog, I tell you. Sasha is so bad.
She's greedy. Wow. One day. One day, right, First Lady? I can't wait. come sit down and have a lunch with us. And they see we're not playing. So we're about that. Nice, man. You know, have your chicken foot already?
Man, my God, halfway chicken foot, my you.
First lady love chicken foot.
Come top of love. Okay.
Wow.
Very easy. And chicken foot is cooked to perfection.
The food is so good I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk now. I want to come in and just don't talk one day, just eat.
Excuse me, guys.
You think I can do it?
It's not too much money. I can't do it.
I have to talk, yo, because yo, me just never scratch by the pepper, you know, that burn me off. Delicious. First thing,
That's my love.
when I eat my food, I enjoy it, you know.
Okay, you do. Even in Oxtail, look how soft it is. And everything is soft and tender, but the oxtail is not like mushy. It still have its shape, but it's still soft. You know?
Excuse me. I enjoy my food. Nobody saying I enjoy my food.
Who was saying that you don't enjoy your food?
I am. But they could say, oh, you don't enjoy food, but I enjoy my food. Every bit of it. I don't play. Big up stew peas. White rice.
Oh my goodness. Stew peas fill you up faster because a lot of peas, but it's good. Yeah. Not for you. Not for you.
Not for me. Eat my food, man. This is my challenge. Right here.
I think I have a lot of rice, my love. You want some of you finish?
What's my rice on my channel? See, she asked me. Not one time I look over there. Not one time I look over there, family. She asked, so I'm not gonna say no. I know you're gonna say yeah. You was watching it anyway. Throw the gravy partner.
It's finished, guys. Yes, that's how we do things up in here.
Yes, Ja. I didn't even see you eating none of these things.
I love
the broccoli.
No, I love broccoli.
Look, I took more broccoli than you. So you give me beer rice and no meat. 2 little piece of meat you left me with.
You sure
and you beer rice.
You see what I mean?
Beer rice you give me, no? And left me 1 straight piece of meat.
Please.
Yeah. Guys, my family, we played tennis today.
Oh my goodness.
Man, the first day to play tennis today.
It wasn't a good sight.
It wasn't a good sight. First lady, what we out here doing today? You look like Serena Williams out there.
It wasn't a good sight.
It wasn't a good sight. We was tired. Gotta get first lady in shape.
And you too?
I was tired. This quarantine, this corona, had me out for a minute.
Tomorrow we're gonna play basketball 1-on-1.
She's gonna win.
I don't know about that.
And look at the gravy just soaked in there.
And you don't want the gravy watery. You don't want the gravy to be too, be watery. You understand?
And when you make this, you gotta make with white rice. Not no rice and peas.
It's gonna be too much peas.
Yeah, just white rice. Okay? My Jamaican people know. Big up on yourself. Zimmer. But my other family, if I didn't decide to make this, white rice is the way to go.
I'm truly bone.
1, 2, 1. Oxtail. I love mukbang. Yo, first lady. I'm hooked now, you know? Can't turn back now, first lady.
Can't turn back.
I'm addicted now. I'm addicted to the mukbang now.
As long as you don't piss me off.
You piss me off, you're there by yourself.
I'll tell them too.
Family, if she piss me off, she gonna be eating by herself.
Yeah, right.
So any day you see her eating by herself, you know she pissed me off.
No, you know he pissed me off. That me I tell you. Oh.
Come back here, back so all of your food up my plate.
This guy was harassing me for this food.
You gotta get in the story when I came to you the first time I met you and then you fried fish for me at your house.
You had,
didn't you fry fish when I used to come to your house? You did at my house too, but from that day she fried that fish, I was hooked. Like I was the one on the bite the line.
What is it?
Once you throw the line and bite it.
All about food.
So yeah, man, that girl can't cook, man.
You can't cook. Thinking they have to get pretty looks. Rest of people.
Well, they were Burger King and done my back. I gotta close my eye and drink this juice.
I wish I had a piece of pear though.
Yeah. Pear in a day, you want too much.
Why me have pear?
Yo. Damn. Well, we eat, yo.
Yes. We go. We eat Jamaican food. We eat it off.
Yeah, man.
We eat American food. It tastes good. We eat it, but ain't nothing like yard food, my good.
Nothing like yard food. Oh my God.
Pig.
Family. We appreciate y'all. First lady do, and I do. Without y'all, we wouldn't be here. Real talk. And we gonna tell you every day. Remember that. Not true, first lady.
For real.
Don't forget to like, comment. We shared, but y'all took too much. And subscribe. You know what I'm saying? First lady, you do your thing.
We are almost at 1,000 subscribers because of you guys, and we appreciate you. And we do want to thank you, like my husband said. And we know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.